Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you convert any photo into PDF document on Samsung. So let's begin. First take your phone, open the gallery app on your Samsung phone. After the gallery app is open, you can see all of the saved photos and videos listed there. Simply scroll through the page and find the exact photo if you want to convert into PDF. For example, I am convert this image to PDF. Simply tap on it to open the full screen view. After that, at the top right corner, you can see 3 dot more button. Click on it. From the pop-up menu, go to print section. After that, at the very top, make sure to your option set to save as PDF, and you can also adjust the copies, paper size, letters, and other any option if you like. Once everything is okay, locate at the PDF download icon. Simply tap on it. Then select the exact folder where if you want to save this PDF document. For example, I am select this one. Simply tap on it. Then click on the save button. Once you have successfully done, go back to your home screen. Then open my file or file manager app your device. Then go to the folder if you want to previously save. Now at the very top you can see recently saved PDF there. Simply tap on it to open them. Right now pop-up answer there. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this guide will help you. Please like this video. Possible to subscribe to my channel.